is all you'll need for a lovely potato soup with bacon. Some potatoes, of course, an onion, garlic, a meaty stock cube, a couple of carrots, some bacon. I like the Streaky smoked bacon because it crisps up really nice. First thing we're going to do is get your bacon into the pan and get it nice and crispy. With your bacon nice and crispy, you're going to squash, because you want all that bacon fat in there, and pop them onto some kitchen roll and put them to one side. Then into your bacon fat you go in with your onion and carrots. With your onions and carrots softened down, it's time to go in with your potatoes. Cut them up, get them into a bowl and give them a good rinse to get rid of the excess starch. And then in we go. In with your garlic. And then some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Cover them back up and give them a couple of minutes just to absorb that bacon fat flavour. When they've had a couple of minutes, it's time to go in with your litre of stock. Then you're going to cover it up and let that simmer away for at least 30 minutes until everything's softened down. When everything's had 30 minutes or more simmering away, it's time to turn off the heat, let it cool down a bit. You don't want to be putting boiling hot liquids into a blender. Then even get an automatic blender or one of those hand blenders. They both do the same job. Get it blitzed up so it's smooth. With it done in the blender, your soup's ready. Lovely thick soup. If you find it's a bit too thick for you, I mean, it seems about perfect, but if it's a bit too thick for you, just add some water. And that is ready to serve up. And what you're going to do, you're going to get your bacon from earlier, put it into a bowl and either crunch it up on top or just lay them across and enjoy.